Hello guys, hello everybody. In this video I'm gonna talk about MODE network. It is DeFi layer 2 built on top of Optimism, and they're launching the token 7th of May called a MODE. And in this video I'm gonna talk about the project in general, why it has some potential in my opinion, and I'm gonna talk about the tokenomics of MODE token, what is the price is gonna be, how you could actually buy it, and also how you could maximize your earnings by staking on Bybit. It is something I'm gonna do. And let me actually start with what is MODE network. I think many of you have heard about this because of their airdrop campaigns, season 1 and season 2. If you are not familiar with MODE network, it is a DeFi layer 2 built on top of Optimism, and it is actually part of the Superchain within Optimism and the base network. And so far they have very great metrics. I'm personally looking at, they put it on their website. I will also share the links on their website, Tokenomics, everything I was able to find myself as well, because I'm encourage people to learn more before investing, do some solid research by your own. And what they put here, they have 500 million on TVL locked so far. They have 10 million transactions, and they have over 300k of users. And they also put their ecosystem on their website, and the list is actually pretty huge. And me personally, looking at the ecosystem very deeply, because I think that it's one of the most important indicator when I look in any blockchain layer 2 solutions, because if nobody building on some blockchain, what is actually the use cases, then who is gonna use it later on once you put money in there? So in this case, I like their ecosystem. So many projects already integrated within the MODE network. And also put the docs, so many details here, so much information, also good idea to look at. They put all their advantages, why it's a good idea using them. They have low fees, also good idea. They're building on top of Optimism, part of Superchain, as I mentioned already. And if we are moving to their tokenomics, the token called MODE, and it's gonna be 10 billion supply. And at first, initially, it's going to be 1.3 billion tokens unlocked. And what they actually using the ecosystem through, the governments, some campaigns for users and developers, DeFi integration grants, community grants, and growing the ecosystem. And they also put the unlock information, what is the schedule for the core contributors for the team. So in my opinion, it looks good, but always, as usual, good to check by your own as well to make some decisions. And if we are talking to initial price, normally when project launches, we could make some opinion by looking at pre-market prices. And for now, MODE network is trading about 0.145, so 14 cents at now. Price could be changed, depends on the market condition, it could drop. But if you are looking at this price for now, and if you are looking to what kind of supply gonna be at launch, we could check what is initial market cap could be. So if you are multiplying it by 14 cents, meaning that at launch this project could be about $180 million. Not that small, but it has maybe 1 billion potential at least. I don't recommend buying you at pre-sale. Pre-market prices, it's up to everyone to decide. Sometimes the price is going up, sometimes not. I don't buy at pre-markets. I'm normally waiting for the price to drop and to have some accumulation phase. Also, this is gonna be the airdrop for people using their testnet, mainnet activities, and in this case, normally airdrop farmers are selling at start. So in this case, maybe the price could go lower, but we never know. It's something for you to decide as well. And yeah, I will put all the links, and also I want to share with you this opportunity I'm using myself. As I mentioned, it's a launch pool on Bybit with very great results. Potential and percentages. So what you need to do here, actually, if you bought some mode, it's this period of time from May 7th till May 14th. You could actually put it here for staking once it's launched. And in this case, you will also get mode as a price, or you could stake some mantle tokens. And actually, yeah, I'm had to do this project overview as well, because it was a great impression for me personally after this Token 2049 conference. So I own you this overview as well. And in this case, you will be also able to earn MODE token, and the same with USDT. So you could just take USDT and earn this token. Yeah, maybe you will, yeah, if you have some opinion, you have some ideas on this token, are you gonna be part of it? Do you like it? If you have airdrop, do you gonna sell it or hold? I want to learn from you, maybe your opinion on this. And yeah, I will also put my link on Bybit. It will be affiliate link, so if you're using it, I will be very happy. I'm also start using this exchange very, yeah, I'm using this exchange as well. I like it. So if you use it as well with my link, I will be also very happy. And yeah, it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.